Here we've got the integral of e to the x sine x dx, and this is a clear product in the integrand, so this is indicative of an integration by parts problem. And so what we can start off by doing is letting u equal sine x, the derivative of u in this case is cosine x, dv we can allow to be e to the x, and v can also be e to the x. And because this is integration by parts, we'll go across, down over, and so what we have is e to the x sine x minus the integral of e to the x cosine x dx, which is another product. And this is again looking like another integration by parts. So what we can do is we can let u equal cosine x, du equals sine x, but remember to put a negative in front this time. dv, again, we'll let equal e to the x, and v will let equal e to the x. And again, integration by parts will go over and then down under. So what we'll have now is e to the x sine x minus, in brackets now, e to the x cosine x minus, and what we've got here is another negative, so we'll change this to a positive, e to the x sine x dx. And this is where a lot of people get stuck on this problem. They start, kind of going into an integration by parts loop. But what's important to recognize is this pattern. What we've got is the integral of e to the x sine x. And that's the same thing that we started with up here. So what we can do is we can let our overall integral, I, equal all of this. We can say e to the x sine x minus e to the x cosine x minus the integral of e to the x sine x dx. And because I equals e to the x sine x dx, this is actually also I. And so since we're subtracting here, if we wanted to, we can add it to both sides, and we'll have 2i equals e to the x sine x minus e to the x cosine x. And then finally, to solve for this integral, we just need to solve for I to find out what it equals. And so we'll say I equals e to the x sine x minus e to the x cosine x all over 2, and then remember to add the constant at the end. And so this is the solution for the integral of e to the x sine x dx. If you have any questions, or if you've got any other calculus or physics problems you want me to try, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful.